Philippine Eagle, critically endangered, ruler of the forest skies. Madagascar pochard, once lost, rediscovered against all odds.
Kakapo, flightless, gentle. Fewer than 300 remain.
Bali Mina, critically endangered. Philippine Eagle, critically endangered, ruler of the forest skies. Here, at the roof of the world, where the air itself fights to claim the sky, only northern bald ibis, returning slowly. Northern bald ibis, returning slowly. Whooping crane, elegant and endangered. Whooping crane, elegant and endangered. Resplendent quetzal, rare and radiant. Resplendent quetzal, rare and radiant. Red-billed curassow, nearly lost forever. Red-billed curassow, nearly lost forever. Cebu flower pecker, tine survivor. Sri Lanka blue magpie, brilliant rarity.
Congo peacock, secret forest treasure.
Imperial Amazon, island pride at risk. Imperial Amazon, island pride at risk. Forest owlet, rediscovered hope. Forest owlet, rediscovered hope. Spoon-billed sandpiper, small and vanishing.
Blue-throated macaw, rare Bolivian jewel.
Blue-throated macaw, rare Bolivian jewel. Orange-bellied parrot, critically rare. Orange-bellied parrot, critically rare.
African grey parrot, intelligent and threatened.
African grey parrot, intelligent and threatened. Yellow-eyed penguin, rare coastal guardian. Philippine cockatoo, fighting for survival. Yellow-eyed penguin, rare coastal guardian. White-winged flufftail, elusive and endangered. White-winged flufftail, elusive and endangered. Yellow-eyed penguin, rare coastal guardian.
Protect rare birds. Protect our planet. Yellow-eyed penguin. Rare coastal guardian. Protect rare birds. Protect our planet. Resplendent quetzal. Rare and radiant. Resplendent quetzal. Rare and radiant.
Madagascar pochard. Once lost, rediscovered against all odds.
Kakapo. Flightless. Gentle. Fewer than 300 remain.
Bali myna. Critically endangered.
Protect rare birds. Protect our planet.